Week, new month, new opportunities. Guys, May has ended and June has officially begun. May was extremely bullish for the stock market. Look at how Nasdaq went up 10.5%, whereas Bitcoin went down. Bitcoin, obviously, crypto is in a bear market. It was supposed to go towards the downside. This inverse correlation is absolutely correct. And we are here to trade. On this channel, we make sure that we are being on the right side of the market. And one thing that we do different from all the other channels is that we journal every single trade. Since December, we have been journaling every single trade on this channel, and the people who've been watching us know about this, which is why we are winning. Now, June, a new book, only one trade right now. I'm going to be talking about more trades, full watch list, what I'm trading, how I'm trading with levels. All you need to do is sit back for 10 minutes, smash that like button, guys. It's going to help me a lot. It's going to help the algo a lot. Smash that like button and stay in this video. Let's go. Now, there is a lot of volatility expected today when the US session opens. Why? Because there is re-escalation in the war. The US military has conducted strikes on Iranian targets. And why did they do that? Do that is because they said it's a self-defense strikes. What do you mean by self-defense strikes? That means Iran has done something, right? Yes, Iran actually shot down US MQ-1 drone that was operating over the international waters, which is why US came in and striked two different locations. Now, guys, this is serious. Why? Because Israel came out as well and said that there is a simultaneous evacuation warnings across South Lebanon. So Israel is ready to attack as well. At the same time, US is attacking Iran. Iran is attacking drones of the US on international waters, Strait of Hormuz. So things are getting a little bit re-escalationary, and that's what you want to call it. But there will be volatility for sure. We're going to be journaling every single trade. Don't worry about it. In my opinion, stock market sitting at the all-time high. And I believe that it's going to keep going. Why? Because we are in midterm elections. I'm not saying that I'm bearish in the markets. I'm just going to go with the trend. The trend is towards the upside. So I'm going to keep taking long positions. The stock market has never peaked in June. Never peaked in June. Imagine. So I'm going to go with the fractal. I'm going to go with all these things. I think the deal is going to happen. Trump said it as well. Trump said that the Iran wants a deal and it will be good for the US as well. But there are some critics on both sides who are making the job harder. But Trump is actually optimistic about getting the deal, and we know that Iran also wants a deal. So this re-escalation which is happening, the price action does not care a lot about this. Why? Because price action knows that the deal is going to come. Now, whether it's going to be a ceasefire deal or it's going to be a main deal, we don't know about that. But coming to the trades, guys, what are we trading? What are we trading? June has started, and the trade journal has begun. Everything is sorted. There is some kind of re-escalation, but we're going to be looking at the price action. Microsoft is the first trade that I'm looking forward to. It has already broken out. It has broken out of this trend line. It has broken out of this ugly looking inverse head and shoulder, and now I'm waiting for the retest. As soon as the retest happens, I'm going to be buying this thing. I'm going to be buying this thing over here at around $420 to $425 level, and I'm going to be taking this trade with a stop loss just below the previous high. So it's a very, very easy trade. Nothing serious here. You know that this thing is showing strength. You are seeing a breakout with volume and a breakaway gap as well. So you want to wait for the retest and enter. So that's the first trade I'm looking forward to when it comes to the stock market. Second trade I'm looking forward to is Coinbase. Now we know that crypto is not showing strength at all, right? And Coinbase is the crypto stock. So if Bitcoin keeps going towards the downside, then I think Coinbase can be a good shot too. Look at this ascending triangle kind of structure. Ascending triangle proper, and then you've got the EMA ribbons. Look at that, EMA ribbons over here. So a retest, underside retest of the EMA ribbons, and I think it can continue towards the downside. All you need to wait for is a deviation. Now, if you do not know what a deviation is, put down in the comment and I'm going to make another video on that. I have to make a full video on what deviation is, how to do the deviation strategy. But mind that as soon as it breaks towards the upside, green candle, and then there is an engulfing red candle over here, that means the short is going to be triggered on Coinbase. So I'm going to be taking a short on Coinbase if the deviation strategy actually plays out. But Microsoft is a super long position, and I think it's going to be a good one. Just make sure that you're managing your risk. The risk reward ratio here is around 3:1, which is quite good in my opinion. Now comes Nvidia. Nvidia, I am looking forward to this potential head and shoulder pattern. I'm not sure if it's going to happen. But what if it happens? So if this is true and there is a close below this level on this candle, then you can go short. If there is a close below on this candle, then people can go short on LTF until this level, and that is going to be the final take profit, because I believe that there can be a right shoulder as well. Even if the price wants to go down, we don't care. We are just looking forward to this range, which is around 6%, a lot. On leverage, 6% is a lot. So Microsoft, Coinbase, Nvidia, three trades in the stock market that I'm looking forward to in this week. Now, moving towards BTC. BTC has already fallen below this head and shoulder pattern. I gave this trade last week in this on this channel, literally with all the proper levels and everything. And look, it got hit perfectly. It got hit, and now it's moving towards the downside. I think it's going to break. One bad news related to war or anything, if the stock markets start to fall, then this thing is going to break towards the downside and hit my target of around $68,000. Now, I've got my stop loss ready as well. Everything is perfect. All the levels are given in my journal too, right? So that's the BTC short position. Now, I'm also looking forward to a Solana short position. Solana has created this massive head and shoulder pattern. Now, what I want to see is, it's simple. So I think there is going to be some kind of fake out here. Now, fake out has to be at the EMA ribbon. So this red EMA ribbon, which is the higher EMA ribbons for me, if I go to the settings, the higher EMA ribbons, which is the 7 and 8, input for them 50 and 55. So 50 and 55 on 8-hourly time frame. As soon as it gets hit, I'm going to be opening a short position on Solana too. So that's what I'm looking forward to in Solana. So have it in your watch list, guys. Make sure you have it in your watch list. Then comes Hyperliquid, one of the tokens that everyone is talking about. It's in every person's mouth. Literally, some people missed it. We were buying it in spot. I was talking about how I'm buying Hyperliquid in spot when it was super cheap. Now I'm selling it. I am not buying it. Why am I showing this chart? Is because I do not have a trade on this. I am actually taking profits on my Hyperliquid. I will buy it if it comes down. It's gone up a lot. Obviously, 100% it will come down to its mean. Whenever it does, I'm going to tell you about that, guys. But right now, it's a good time to be taking profits on Hyperliquid, please. Now, the next one is Venice. Venice is one of the AI tokens which is used. It's privacy plus AI. It's AI inference, on-chain inference, and it's consolidating in this massive ascending triangle. In my opinion, this ascending triangle is going to break towards the upside one day whenever it does. So I'm going to keep it in my watch list. I'm going to make sure that everyone knows about it. I bought this at around 450 and 500 million market cap. Right now it's sitting at around 1 bill. But if it comes down, I'm going to buy more. Simple. Then one token I want to talk about is Dolphin. I talked about this token in the last video as well, which was on Friday and Monday. I said that I'm buying pod at around 10 to 12 million. And right now it's sitting at 13.5. It made a high of 16.5 all G. Now, I think it's obviously, a beta play for Venice. If Venice comes down, pod Dolphin is going to come down as well. If Venice goes up, this is going to go up as well. So I just have two AI inference trades with me, which is Venice and pod, and I'm going to hold them in my spot and see what happens. I am in profits on both. Venice bigger profit, but pod smaller profit. So if it comes down to 10 million, I would say that, start accumulating some. Why? Because this is actually good. This is used by people. Venice is AI inference is actually used by people. People will be using it because it's cheaper and it's private. When compared to ChatGPT or any other thing, Gemini, Claude, it's cheaper and it's private. So people will use it. That the cost of tokens are increasing and the number of tokens is increasing as well. We know that. I can create a whole video on that if you want, but still. So guys, simple watch list. I've got a limit order on Microsoft. I've got a trade in BTC and I'm looking for more trades as I talked about it. Any questions, put it in the comment section. If you don't like the format of this video, which is 10 minutes, quick video, tell me, all right? I'm going to fix that. I'm going to see you tomorrow, guys. I'm doing this every single day so that you are on the right side of the market with me and we are literally walking together. I'm going to see you later. Bye-bye.